Hello, welcome friends. Me Anila. The topic of my discussion is about Lee Chatelier's principle. But before this, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Friends, in this video, I will tell you how to solve numericals related to Lee Chatelier principle. What is Lee Chatelier principle? First of all, I want to tell you that there are two types of reaction. Irreversible reaction are those in which reactant combine to form product. On the other hand, reversible reaction are those in which reactant combine to form product and product again convert into reactant. That is forward and backward reaction occurs. This is reversible reaction. So, when equilibrium is achieved, then Lee-Chatelier principle is applied. In this video, I will tell you how to solve numericals related to Lee-Chatelier principle. Example number 1. For the reaction, this is the reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives us 2 moles of ammonia. If total pressure is doubled, in which direction will equilibrium shift? So this is the reaction between nitrogen gas plus 3 hydrogen gives us 2 moles of ammonia. So if total pressure is doubled, we have to find that in which direction will equilibrium shift. First of all, I want to tell you that pressure has inverse relation with volume. If pressure increases, volume decreases. If pressure decreases, volume increases. So here total pressure is doubled mean we are increasing the pressure. So the equilibrium will shift to that direction where there is less number of moles. If you can see, there are 4 moles on reactant sides and 2 moles on product side. Moles of reactant 4, 3 hydrogen plus 1 nitrogen, total 4 moles on reactant side, and moles of product are 2 moles of ammonia. So there are more moles on left side, less mole on right side. So equilibrium shift toward fewer moles, that is shift toward right means more ammonia is formed. So if we increase pressure, the volume should be decreased and the equilibrium shift to that direction where there is decrease in volume, that is towards right. More ammonia is produced, more product is produced. Example number 2. For the reaction, 2 mole of sulfur dioxide plus oxygen gives us 2 moles of sulfur trioxide plus heat. As you can see here, 2 moles of sulfur dioxide react with 1 mole of oxygen to produce 2 mole of sulfur trioxide plus heat. Heat is releasing, that means it is exothermic reaction. In exothermic reaction, heat is released. In endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed. So in exothermic reaction, the reactant are more energetic than product because heat is releasing. If temperature decreases, in which direction will equilibrium shift? In this reaction, if we decrease temperature, the equilibrium will shift to that direction, that is towards right, that is more product is formed. Because we are removing heat, the temperature decreases means we are removing heat. So equilibrium will shift to right, more product is formed, more sulfur trioxide is formed. So this is for exothermic reaction. If the reaction is endothermic, then inverse occur. Example number 3. For the reaction N2O4 gives us 2NO2. This is also a reversible reaction. Reactant is forming product. Product is forming reactant. What happens if pressure is decreased? So I already told you that if pressure is increased, volume decreases. If pressure is decreased, volume increases. On left side, there is 1 mole of reactant. On right side, there are 2 moles of product. If we decrease pressure, that means volume must increase. So equilibrium shift to more moles, that is towards right, that is more product is formed. So by decreasing pressure, volume should be increased and equilibrium will shift to that side where there are more moles. You can see on left side there is 1 mole, on right side there is 2 moles. So more product is formed, more NO2 is formed. Example number 4. For the reaction, there is silver ion, this is the cation, plus chloride ion, this is anion, forming AgCl precipitates. This is also a reversible reaction. What happens if we increase silver ion? Because silver ions are reactant. If we increase silver ion, then more product is formed. Equilibrium shift to right, so more AgCl is formed. If we decrease reactant, if we increase reactant, then more product is formed. If we decrease reactant, more reactant are formed. So equilibrium shift to right, so more AgCl is formed. In this way, equilibrium will achieve. So these are the effect of different concentration, temperature, pressure, effect of different quantities on equilibrium position. Friends, if you have any question, you can ask me on comments. I can help you. Thanks.